Hello children, welcome back. Hope you are all safe and good. Let's start our online class with a small prayer. Close your eyes. Dear God, bless us in our online class today. Help us to grow in love and kindness, more like you every day. Amen. Okay children, so last class we started with Unit 1 Geometry. Today we shall continue with this lesson. Okay. So last class what we studied, we'll just recall now. Okay. So last class we studied about perimeter, how to find the perimeter of a closed figure. So we learned two formulas, that is perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of square. So what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? 2 into length plus 2 into breadth, and for perimeter of square 4 into length of side. So simply we just calculate how we shall do the perimeter using the formula. So this is a rectangle and the length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter. So what is the formula? Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So here what is the length? 4. So 2 into 4 plus 2 into breadth is 2 centimeter, and 2 4s are 8 plus 2 2s are 4. So the answer is 12. Here we have given centimeter, so centimeter. So this is the perimeter of this rectangle. Okay, and coming to the square. So square, all four sides are equal. One side the measurement is 2 centimeter. So what is the perimeter of square is 4 into length of side. So 4 into length of one side is 2 centimeter. So what is 4 2s are 8. It is centimeter, so centimeter. So this is the perimeter of this square. This is how you will calculate the perimeter of a rectangle and perimeter of a square using the formula. Okay. Now today we are going to learn about area. What is that? Area. Okay. So what is area? Normally what we will say, area means it is a particular place. Okay. So area means what? Area can be defined as the space occupied by a flat shape or the surface of an object. Okay. The unit denoted for the area of an object is square units. So every time while finding perimeter, you will, while writing the answer, what you will do? You will put centimeter or meter at the end. For area you will write square centimeter, square meter. You will include the square word to that. Okay, so you will write square SQ dot centimeter or SQ dot meter. For square short form SQ we are writing. Okay, so first consider, suppose I want to put my I have a window at my home and I want to put mosquito net to that window. So consider this is the window. This is the window. Okay. So I want to put the mosquito mesh for this window, inside this window. Okay. So what measurement I will take in order to buy the mosquito mesh? What measurement is that? It is area. Okay. So this is the place where I am going to put the mosquito mesh. So this place is called as area. This inside part of the window is called as area, and the boundary, and this boundary is called as perimeter. Okay, now you can understand. So suppose consider this is the rectangle and inside part of the rectangle is called as area, and the boundary of this rectangle is called as perimeter. Okay. So now we are going to learn how to calculate area of a closed surface. So area can be defined as a space occupied, that is space occupied inside, okay, by a flat shape or a surface of an object. Okay. So now we are going to learn two formulas in this area also, that is formula for area of rectangle and formula for area of square. Two formulas here also we are going to study. So first formula is formula for area of rectangle. Okay, so this is the first formula we are going to read. So first I am going to draw one rectangle. Okay, this is a rectangle. Okay, and I am going to keep one dot for each 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. Okay, I have kept 4 dots, and here I am going to keep 1 dot for 1 centimeter. Okay, so I am going to draw lines 1, 2, 3, 4 and here 1. Okay, so one box is 1 centimeter. This one box is 1 centimeter. Like that, how many boxes I am having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes I am having. So totally how many centimeter? 5 centimeter. So the length is 5 centimeter. And coming to the breadth, one box is 1 centimeter. How many centimeter boxes I am having? 2 boxes. So the breadth is 2 centimeter. Okay, so this is the thing I have divided the rectangle. Now we will mark this rectangle as A, B, C, D. This rectangle I have marked it as A, B, C, D. Okay, so each I have divided into 1 centimeter. So each box is 1 centimeter. Now I am going to find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. So the formula is length into breadth. So the formula for area of rectangle is length into breadth. So what is the length here? 5 centimeter and the breadth is 2 centimeter. What is 5 2s are? 10 centimeter. Now you count and see how many boxes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So totally 10 boxes are there, that is 10 centimeters. So area of this rectangle is 10 centimeter. So what is the formula? Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Length into breadth. Okay, so area for rectangle formula, length into breadth. Okay, so this is the formula for area of rectangle. So now we shall see formula for area of square. Formula for area of square. Okay, so formula for area of square. So again I am going to draw one square. What is that I am going to draw? I am going to draw one square. Here also I am going to keep 1 centimeter distance. Okay, and here also 1 centimeter distance. Now I am going to draw line. Okay, I am going to draw a line and I am going to get each 1 centimeter box. So this is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Total how many centimeter? 3 centimeter. So for square, all 4 sides are equal. So only one side I have marked. Okay. So now the formula for area of square. Area of square is, so this is one side, this is one side, this is one side and this is one side. So side into side. Side into side. So area of a square formula is side into side. So what is the value for one side? 3. Another side also 3. 3 3s are 9. So totally 9 centimeter. So now count and see how many boxes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally 9 boxes, that is 9 centimeter. So this is the area of a square. So the formula for area of a square is side into side. Side into side. So today we learned two formulas, that is area of a rectangle, that is length into breadth, and area of a square, side into side. Two formulas we studied today. Okay, so using this formula we shall see example sums. Okay, now we shall see 2 example sums for each formula. Okay, so the question is, what is the area of rectangle of length 10 centimeter and breadth 8 centimeter. So this is the question. So first they have told rectangle. So we shall draw one rectangle. Okay. And they have told length as 10 centimeter. So length is 10 centimeter. And the breadth is 8 centimeter. The breadth is 8 centimeter. What we are going to find? We are going to find area of rectangle. So what is the formula for area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. L means length, B means breadth. So length into breadth. So what is the value for length? L 10 centimeter. What is the value for breadth? 8 centimeter. Okay. So 10 8s are what? 80. So I told for perimeter we have just written centimeter like that. For finding area, what you will include? You will include square centimeter. Square centimeter. For answer you have to write this square centimeter. Okay. For all the sums you are going to write. So here also we have to write. Okay. Here also square centimeter and here also square centimeter. Okay. So everywhere we are going to write square centimeter. Okay. This is how you will find. So they have given the value for length and breadth for a rectangle. They have asked us to find area of rectangle. So area of a rectangle formula length into breadth. So we are simply going to multiply length and breadth and we have arrived at an answer. For the answer we are going to write square centimeter. Okay. Next one more sum we shall see. So what is the area of a square with side 12 centimeter? So they have told square, so we shall draw one square. Okay. So the side, one side measurement is 12 centimeter they have given. For square all four sides are equal. Okay. So the formula for area of a square is side into side. S into S means side into side. So what is the value for 12? Side is 12 centimeter. So 12 into 12. What is 12 into 12? It is 144. So for answer what you will write? You will write square centimeter. So this is the answer for this area of square. This is how you will calculate the area of rectangle and area of a square using the simple formulas. Very simple formula. Okay. So this is all about this chapter. We studied 4 formulas in this chapter. So what are the 4 formulas we studied in this chapter? First we studied about perimeter. Right. So first we studied about perimeter. So perimeter of any shape, what you will do? You will first consider this is a shape. This is a shape. And this is 5 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter. So how will you find the perimeter of this shape? Perimeter, how will you find? You will add all the sides. So 5 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, so total how much? 11 centimeter. So this is how you will find the perimeter of any closed figure. Suppose you want to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle, you will use the formula 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So this is the formula for perimeter of rectangle. And similarly perimeter of square is 4 into length of side. 4 into length of side. So this is all about perimeter. So these are the things we studied in perimeter. Then comes area. Area means what? Inner part of the closed figure or a flat surface, that is called as area. So this shaded part is the area. Okay. Now what is the formula area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length into breadth. And area of square is side into side. So these are the things we studied in this chapter, Geometry Unit 1. So very simple chapter. If you know all these 4 formulas, all the sums are very easy to do. Okay, so everybody please study this formula and do. I will give few example sums. Please try that sums. So find perimeter. Homework. So okay, this is 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So find the perimeter of this shape. Okay, next this is another shape. Okay, so this is 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter. So find the, this is 3 centimeter. Okay, find this perimeter. Okay, the next one is find area. So for these 2 sums, there is no need to write any formulas. What you will do? Simply you will add all the sides and you will get the answer. Okay. So here find area of rectangle, length 7 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter. So here we are going to find the find the area of a rectangle of length 7 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter. So you draw a rectangle, mark the length and breadth and write the formulas and do the sum. So what is the formula for area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Okay children, please do the sums and send to me. Okay, okay children, take care. Thank you. Bye.